Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. I've decided to publish videos in English because many English speakers also want to learn to speak Malagasy. Before I start the video, I'd like to apologize for my accent and for any mistakes I might make because I don't speak English very well. To start with, here are some basic terms you can use to make meeting people easier. So to say hello, you can say Manaun, Manaune, or Salam, Salame, Salama. To introduce yourself, it's Maikanonaraku, Maikanonaraku. To say please, it's Azafadi, Azafadi. To say thank you, it's Misot, Misot. And to put it politely, it's Misojatupku, Misojatupku. To ask for directions, you have to say where you want to go after Aizani and add Azafadi to ask politely. For example, Aizan Pank Azafadi, Aizan Pank Azafadi. To say goodbye, it's Velum, Velume. I think that's it for this video. I'll make other videos in English if this one gets a lot of feedback, so see you soon.